standing here with Kyle. Kyle, you've just completed the 2-hour drift course, and we covered things like the figure 8. We did the extended drift slides, the donutty type big slides, which was fun. For me, at least, as an instructor. But how was it for you?
Absolutely awesome, Ernest. Thank you so much. Thank you to you, yourself, Faisal, Tracktion, for the experience. I definitely recommend it. Please like and subscribe. Follow Car on Facebook, on Instagram and on X, and stand a chance to win your own drift experience with Tracktion.
There you go. Come join us.